Yeah, continue the same class only. Today we learn the exercise 1.7 in Telangana state book. Today we learn it only. All problems and solutions. Page number is the 23 to 24 only. Today we learn it only. Okay? Yeah. All problems Gagan side, be carefully listen better in exercise 1.7 only. All are the word problems only, be carefully listen neatly. Now first of all I read in our textbook only. In a class text containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Yeah, first bit. Bharati attempts all questions but only 9 answers are correct. What is her total score? Second question. One of her friends Hema attempts only 5 questions and all are correct. How many marks did they score? Your sir is the Gagan side, be carefully listen better. In your class, one class a text containing the 15 questions. Total questions is the how many questions? 15 questions only. Yeah, every correct answer per marks is the 4 marks only. Given for every correct answer is the correct answers is the 4 marks only. Incorrect answer is the given for the incorrect answer is the 2 marks only. And 2 questions to find out the 2 questions only. Bharati attempts all questions. Bharati attempts all questions, but only 9 answers are correct only. Okay, na? 9 answers are correct. What is her total score? What are the incorrect answers? You can find out that only. What are the total score? You can find out. And second question, one of our friends Hema attempts only 5 questions only attempted. All are correct only. Negative marks is also there. Yeah, how many marks did they score? Attempts all questions are 5 questions are correct only in your Hema. But your total score, you can find out the total score. Hema total score. So that's why you can score Hema score. This is the question only. So that's why you can. Yeah, first of all, given data we write it in our given problem only. Yeah, first is the given data. Total questions is equal to 15 only. Marks for every correct answer are equal to 4 marks. 4 only. Okay, na? Next, marks for every incorrect answer -2 only. Okay, na? Next, to find the first and second bit only. Yeah, first bit solutions. Yeah, first one is the Bharati attempts all questions but only 9 answers are correct only. Bharati correct answers are the 9 answers only. 9 into every correct answer is the 4 only. So that's why it's the 36 only. Yeah, Bharati's correct answer 9 cross 4 equal to 36 only. Bharati's incorrect answer is the 9 answers is correct only. So remaining marks is the 14 minus 9 is the 6 only. Incorrect is the 6 only. So that's why the 6 cross -2 equal to -12 only. Yeah, Bharati score. Bharati score is the 6 minus 2 is the 4 and 3 minus 1 is the 2 only. So 24 marks. Okay, Gagan say remaining marks. Correct answer is the 9. 15 minus 9 is the incorrect answer is the 6 only. So that's why this is over. And next one is the second one. What says the one of her friends Hema attempts only 5 questions only. All are correct only. So how many marks did they score? So that's why the Hema score. Hema score you can find out the Hema score. So that's why the 5 is correct only. Each question correct marks. Correct answer marks is the 4 only. So that's why the 5 cross 4 is the 20 marks. Okay, Gagan say, are you understood? But your Hema is all are the only 5 questions are write it only, that all those are is the correct only. Negative marks is also there. But your Bharati is that 9 answers is out of 15. Out of 15 lo 9 answers is correct only. All questions are attempted, but 9 answers is correct only. Okay na? Here we will get this 4 marks more only. Okay na? And compared to Emma score, then compared to the Bharat is the more only 4 marks. Yeah, this is that first it's over first solution problem is over, and next one is the second one only. Are you understood Gagan neatly?
Yes.
Next one is the second one only. A cement company earns a profit of ₹9 for bags of white cement sold and a loss of ₹5 for bag of grey cement sold. Yeah, first one. The company sells 7,000 bag of white cement and 6,000 bag of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? What is its profit or loss? Second question. What is the number of white cement bags it must sells to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 5,400. Okay na? Okay? Yeah. What's are given Gagan sai? What's are given data in our given problem? First of all, I explaining your problem. Yeah, a company earns profit of bags of white cement bags. Profit is the profit on the white cement bags is the 9 rupees only. Okay na? Next loss on grey cement bag equal to 5 rupees only. Next is that to find the first and second only. Yeah, first bit is the company sales bag of white cement only. This like 7,000 bags only. Into white cement profit is the 9 rupees only. Okay na? Here it is that grey cement loss only. So that's why is the loss of this one only. Multiplication of the 5 rupees only, 6,000. What is the profit or loss? You can find out in month lo. You can find out the first bit only, profit or loss. And the second question, what is the number of white cement bags it must sells to have neither profit nor loss only? If the number of grey bags sold, if for grey bags sold 5,400 number of bags, if it's sold it grey bags, what we get that neither profit or loss. How many cement white cement how many number of white cement bags must sell have neither profit or loss? You can find out that question only. Are you understood Gagan neatly?
Yes.
First one is the first given data. You can write down in your given problem only. First one is the solution only. Yeah, given data profit on white cement bag. White cement. White cement bag profit is the rupees of 9 rupees, and is that loss on grey cement bag is the rupees of 5 rupees only. To find the first and second only. So that's why the first problem solution. Yeah, the company sold bags of white cement bags in month only. Yeah, first problem solution. Here the company. Otherwise you write it only. The company sells bag of white cement bag equal to. The company sold bags of white cement bags in month equal to. What's the month is the bags is the 7,000 only. Yeah, 7,000. What company sold bags of grey bags are in months. In months, grey bags, how many bags? Grey bags is the 6,000 only. Okay na? Yeah, first one the company sold bags of white cement bags in month lo. If it's what's the profit is the profit is the 9 rupees only. Here it is the profit is the 9 rupees. So that's why the rupees of 9 7 63,000. Next is that the company sold bags of grey cement bags in month. Grey cement is the loss only. So that's why the loss is that grey cement is the rupees 5 rupees only. So 5 rupees loss. So that's why is the 5 6 the 30 only. 30,000. What's are asking about its profit or loss? Profit only. Profit. Why? Because here it is the 63,000 minus of 30,000. So that's why a company earns profit only. Okay na? A company earns profit. Yeah, rupees of 63,000 minus rupees of 30,000. So that's why 63 30,000. Yeah, once again I explain this problem. Gagan say, yeah, be careful, listen better neatly. Yeah, profit on white cement bags equal to rupees is the 9 rupees and loss on grey cement bag equal to 5 rupees only. To find the first and second only. Yeah, first one is the company sold bags of white cement bags in month. The 7,000 bags only into profit is the 9 only. So that's why is the 63,000 only. The company sold bags of grey cement bags in month. In month is the 6,000 only. Grey cement bags is the 6,000 into 5 equal to 30,000 only. Is it a profit or loss? What is asking question is the profit or loss. What is the profit or loss? Here it is the 63,000 and here it is the loss is the 30,000 only. So that's why is the profit only. So that's a company earns profit. Otherwise the profit of company equal to 63,000 minus 30,000 only. So that's why 63,000 minus 30,000 equal to 33,000 only. Okay na? Rupees profit is the 33,000. This is the profit only. The company profit. The company profit equal to rupees of 33,000. This is the first bit answer. And next one is the second one. The company sold bags of grey cement bags equal to 5,400 only. Loss on grey cement bags fine, if it's a loss it only, not profit. So that's why it's a loss. Loss cement bags equal to 5,400 into 5 rupees. So that's why we will get this like only 27,000 only. Yeah, but what's our questioning here? It is what is the number of white cement bags? So you can how many you can either profit or loss how many must sales you can find out it only. So that's why it is the letter but you don't know that the number of white cement bags, let X only. So that's why is the X. If it's a 9, profit is the 9 white cement bags. What's the profit on white cement bags is the 9 only. So that's why 9x equal to 20 rupees of 27,000 only. Number of white cement bags equal to 27,000 by 9 equal to the 3,000 only. The number of white cement bags equal to 3,000 rupees. If you check it only, if you check this answer, rupees of white cement bags 3,000 rupees into 9 only. So that's why the rupees of 27,000. Both are that equal only. Profit and no loss only, no profit. So that's why both are the equal only. This is that you understood Gagan say neatly?
Yes.
Yeah, this is its number of bags is the 3,000 only. Yeah, next is it's over of this one only and next goes to the third problem. Are you understood Gagan say neatly? First of all I read it only. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour. Yeah, first bit only. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade? Question mark. And next second one. What would be the temperature at 12 midnight? Midnight temperature. You can Gagan say. Yeah, listen better neatly. What's are given data? Here it is given problem. What's are given data? The temperature are given. At present temperature given. What's are is the 12 noon temperature. That is the 10 degree centigrade temperature given. And next is the decreases the rate of per hour. Per hour it decreases the time is that what's is that 20 degree centigrade only. Okay na? Degrees temperature decreases the temperature is the per hour ki. The rate is the 2 degree centigrade only. Yeah, first bit asking, what's asking here it is What time? What time would be the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade? What time? Temperature 8 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. Below means is the minus only. So that's why the minus 8 degrees centigrade. At what time temperature? What the time temperature minus 8 degrees centigrade? You can find out that what time on it. Next second bit, what would be the temperature at 12 midnight? 12 midnight time lo what's the, at what temperature you can find out only, okay na? At 12 midnight appudu what's the temperature you can find out. There are both questions you can find out it only. And next one, first of all solution. First we write down your side. Yeah, first given data you can write down your given problem only. Yeah, first one is that the temperature at noon only. Noon are given your 12 noon only. Okay na, 12 noon. So that's why that is the temperature 10 degrees centigrade only. And next one, the decreasing temperature at the rate of for 1 hour. For 1 hour is the 2 degrees centigrade only. Decreases the temperature. Decreases means is the minus 2 degrees centigrade. And given temperature is given only. What's the given temperature? In our first bit, given temperature is the 8 degrees centigrade only. Okay na? 8 degrees centigrade. Below 0 degrees means is the minus 8 degrees centigrade only. Here to find the first and second only. So first one is the difference between that are both only. Both one is the temperature of 10 degrees centigrade minus of 8 degrees centigrade. We will get this the minus 18 degrees centigrade only. Difference between the temperature. Difference between the temperature. What's one is the temperature equal to 10 degrees centigrade minus 8 degrees centigrade only. Okay na?
Yes.
Okay na? Yeah. What's between the temperature? What is the temperature? Is the 10 degrees centigrade. 10 degrees centigrade minus the minus 8 degrees centigrade only. So the total is the 10 degrees centigrade minus into minus is the plus only. So that's why is the 8 degrees centigrade. So that's why is the 18 degrees centigrade. Okay, Gagan sai?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next is the what's on here it is in your question. Last time. Okay na?
Okay.
Time lasted. Time lasted. Ledante otherwise the time decreases the temperature 18 degrees centigrade. Okay na?
Okay.
The time taken decreases 18 degrees centigrade. 18 degrees centigrade per hour means is the 2 degrees centigrade. So that's why the 18 degrees by 2 only. So that's why the 2 1 1 2 9 9 hours only. Time is the 9 hours. Okay na? 9 hours. 9 hours from 9 hours from 12 hours. 12 noon only. Okay na? 12 noon. Okay na?
Yes.
12 noon. From 12 noon to 9 hours. 12 noon what's the temperature is the 10 degree temperature. 1 o'clock 1 p.m. 12 means is the AM only. So that's afternoon. So that's why is the PM only. 1 PM is the 8 degrees centigrade. And 2 degrees decreasing of the temperature only. 2 degrees per hour. So that's why the 2 PM is 6 degrees and 3 PM is 4 degrees and 4 PM is 2 degrees centigrade. 5 PM is the 0 degree centigrade. 6 PM 2 degrees. 7 PM is the minus here it is the minus only. So minus 2 degrees and 7 PM is the minus 4 degrees centigrade and 8 PM is the minus 6 degrees centigrade and 9 PM is the minus 8 degrees centigrade only. So that's why is the what size the time is the 9 hours from 12 noon is the time is the 9 PM only. Okay na? 9 p.m. is that what's the temperature is the 9 p.m. When 9 p.m. is the temperature is the minus 8 degrees centigrade. Yeah, what's the first answer is the at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. The temperature, okay, the temperature equal to minus 8 degrees centigrade. Okay na? Temperature is the minus 8 degree centigrade. And total temperature means is the 12 noon to 12 p.m. Second question is the what would be the temperature at 12 midnight. 12 midnight only. Total temperature. Total temperature. Total temperature equal to 12 noon. 12 noon to 12 midnight. So that's why 12 noon to 12 midnight means is a 12 hours only. Okay?
Yes.
12 hours. And 12 into each is that minus 2 degrees centigrade decreasing only. So that's why is the minus 24. 12 into 2 is the 24 degrees centigrade. 12 noon, what's the temperature is that 10 degrees centigrade. So total is that minus 14 degrees centigrade. Okay na? At midnight. Midnight is the 12 per hour is the minus 2 degrees decreasing only. So that's why is the 2 degrees decreasing only. So that's why is the 24. And 12 noon, what's the temperature is the 10 degrees is the 14 degrees. Otherwise 9 p.m. write it only. 9 p.m. and next is the 10 only. 10 right is the 10 p.m. is the 10 only. 10 degrees minus 10 degrees centigrade. And 11 p.m. is the minus 12 degrees centigrade. And next one is the 12. 12 is the minus 14 degrees centigrade only. Okay na? Otherwise you can draw the number line also. You can draw the number line. Otherwise you can you write one. Okay na? This pattern you can follow this one. 12 noon what's the temperature and you write it that decreasing up to every per hour is the 2 degrees centigrade decreasing only. We will get this answer is the directly 12 noon is the what's the answer is the minus 4 degrees centigrade. What's that here? It is the yet what would be the temperature at midnight 12 midnight only. So that's why is the therefore second answer is the yet 12 midnight temperature. At 12 midnight temperature equal to what's the 14 degrees centigrade. Okay, minus 14 degrees centigrade. This is the answer. Are you understood? I can say minus 14 degrees centigrade. Yeah, total only first 9 hours from 12 to 9 hours 9 p.m. only. At 9 p.m. Temperature and our second one is minus 14 degrees centigrade. 12 to 12 midnight only. 12 hours. So that's why the each hour is the minus 2 degrees centigrade. So that's why you can this 12 is like one. Yeah, this is its over of this solution is over, and next goes to the fourth one only. Are you okay, Gagan Sai? Minus 14 degrees centigrade. Are you okay? Yeah, next one is the fourth one. In a class text, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Yeah, first one is the Radhika scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Second question, Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this text. Though she has got 7 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay, now? Yeah, first I explain this question. Be careful, listen better. In a class text, yeah, every correct answers marks is the plus 3 marks. And incorrect given for the every incorrect answer is the minus 2 marks. is next no marks ante attempt, but there is a attempting any questions, not attempting the any questions is the 0 marks only. Yeah, first and you have to find out the 2 questions only, first question and second only. First question is the Radhika score is given only, that is the 20 marks are given. If she had got the 12 correct answers, she got it only. Radhika got the 12 correct answers. How many questions are attempt the incorrect score is given and correct marks is also given. Incorrect only, you can find out that one. First question. And second one, Moini scores. Moini scores is the minus negative marks in this text, 5 marks. Through 7 correct answers only. Okay, na 7 correct answers. Yeah, how many incorrect answers, you can find out this one. Okay, na score is given, but correct also given. You can find out the incorrect one. Both are the same only. You can easily find out this. Yeah, first one is the solution. You can write down that given problem. First of all, given data in our given problem only. Yeah, first is the given data. Marks given for every correct answer are given is the 3 marks only. 3 only, plus 3. And marks given for every incorrect answer. Incorrect answer is the minus 2 only. Yeah, but you are not attempted any questions is the 0. But leave it only. And next is the Radhika score is also given in our given problem. That is the 20 marks to find the first and second only. Here first one, Radhika given for 12 correct answers. 12 correct answers. 12 into each correct answer is the 3 marks only. So that's why the 12 3 ja 36 only. Okay, na? Yeah, next one is the Radhika given for incorrect answers. Radhika given is the incorrect answers. Incorrect answers means is the score minus score is the 20 score minus of correct answer is the minus 36, 20 is the 6 minus 16 only. Okay, na? Are you okay? Total is the 20 marks. This one only. Incorrect. Incorrect means is the each Radhika had the given for had the incorrect answer. For every incorrect answer is the minus 2 only. So that's why is the Radhika had given for incorrect answer. Each incorrect answers to what's are the negative marks. So that's why the minus 16 only. Minus 16 by minus 2. So that's why the minus into minus cancel. So that's why the 8 only. Okay, na? 8 questions. Okay, Gagan side. Yeah. Next is the incorrect questions is the 8 questions only. Yeah, total score minus correct answer. So we will get this the incorrect only. Next is the second one is the Moini score. Moini score is already given only. So that's why the 5 marks only. Moini marks given for correct answers. So Moini marks are given for correct answers only. So that's why the 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers. Per 7 correct answers. So that's why the 7 into each correct answers is the 3 marks only. So that's why the 3 only. So that's why the 21 only. Marks given for the Moini marks given for the incorrect answers. Incorrect answers means the score minus the, here it is also 21 only. Okay, Gagan Sai? Yeah, what is the incorrect answer means the total score minus correct answers only. We will get this the incorrect only. So that's why minus is the minus 5 minus 21 is the minus 26 only. So that's why every incorrect answers ki what are marks is the minus 2 only. So that's why is the minus 26 by minus 2 only. So that's why the minus cancel. So that's why the 2 1 1 and 2 1 2 3. So that's why the 13 only. And how many questions she attempted incorrectly. So therefore number of incorrect questions equal to 13 only. Okay, na? Therefore number of incorrect equal to 13 questions only. This is the Moini one. Okay na? This is the questions is the 13 questions. Okay na? Number of incorrect. Otherwise C attempted incorrectly equal to 13 questions only. How many number of C attempted incorrect questions equal to 13 only. Okay, now are you understood Gagan neatly?
Okay.
Yeah, next one is the fifth one. First of all, I read it one. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters only? Yeah, first explain Gagan neatly. Yeah, elevator descends, elevator mine shaft, and just like is that mine shaft means that lift low. Elevator means is the lift low. That is the same as lift model. Okay na? What's that elevator descends at the rate of per meter per minute equal to the 6 meters only. The rate per minute equal to the 6 meters are given only, given problem. Next is the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level. From ground level 10 meters above means is that place only, place 10 meters only. And starting time is that initial time. Okay na? What's one is the initial height only. Initial height is the 10 meters only. Okay na? How long will it take to reach the minus 350 meters? So how long it reach or what's the minus 350 meters reach? Ante final depth is this like only minus 350 meters only. How long it will take that time anedi you can find out. Okay Gagan sai? Yeah, due to the elevator Gagan sai? Yeah, how long it time only? How long it time that to reach the final depth? Minus 350 meters ka how long it time? It's taken anedi. Yeah, given data you can write down given problem only. Yeah, first one is the speed of elevator descends for 1 minute equal to 6 meters are given only. Yeah, next is the initial height on a ground level. Initial height is also starting means is the initial level, that is the ground level is the 10 meters only. To find the final depth to reach minus 350 meters only. What's is the total time descent? Total time descent you can find out that only. You can, first of all you write it the total distance. Solution you can write down the solution and total distance. Total distance means is the 10 meters minus 350 meters only. Yeah, 10 meters means is the depth only, depth line. So that's why is the minus 10 meters only. If you take the time is the initial time, height is the minus 10 meters only. If you take the minus only. Depth means is that below. So that's why down or below. So that's why is the minus 350 meters. Total distance equal to minus total length or total distance equal to minus 10 meters minus 350 meters. Total is the minus 360 meters. Okay na? Yeah, per hour here it is a per minute equal to 6 meters only. Yeah, total time to descend. Total time to descend equal to minus 360 by per hour means is the 6 meters only. Per hour, okay, per minute. Per minute equal to 6 meters only. So that's why I can is the 6 1 the 6 minus 6 6 the 36 0 only. So that's why the minus 6 meters. So here it is that this is also minus only, down only. So that's why you can is the elevator descends means is the down only. Okay na?
Yeah.
down below. So that's why if it's take the minus only. Yeah, minus into minus cancel. So that's why the 60. 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes means is the 1 hour time. Okay na? Yeah, 1 hour time. So that's why the therefore total time to descend equal to 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, okay na? Yeah, 1 hour time. And if it's a 1 hour time, then you are reached, when you are 1 hour time, 1 hour time we will reach this like only. We will take to reach the minus 350 meters only. Okay na? Per time if it's reach this like only. This meters ki will reach the final depth ki reach it only 1 hour time. Okay na? Total time up to descent ante 1 hour time you will reach this like only. Final depth reach it. Okay, are you understood again neatly? This is that all problems and solutions. Are you understood again neatly? Okay na?
Yes.
Yeah, exercise 1.7 all problems
Is over.
is completed.
Okay.
And if it's take the time is the 1 hour time, we will reach this final depth only. Okay na?
Okay.
Yeah, this is its over of all problems, its solutions, it's over. And our next Udagan side, first of all looking back some important points is there in this chapter. So that's why I can first of all I read it once again. I read this one only. Udagan side, this is all of the very very important points only in this chapter, total chapter, integer chapter. First of all I read it only. First bit is that n natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are natural numbers, and whole numbers. What whole numbers is indicated by that denoted by the W 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. And Z is also integers. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. Okay na? Integers and negative numbers and whole numbers. Both are together only. Okay na?
Yeah.
So we can write it the Z equal to these are plus or negative numbers and positive numbers and set of integers represented I only. It is also. And the second point is that each time you add a positive integers, you move the right on the number line. Okay na?
Yes.
And next is that each time you add a negative integers, you move on the left on number line only. Next third point is that each time to subtract. Subtract means is the reverse only. Positive integers you move on the left on the number line. Each time you subtract a negative integer you move right on the number line only. Okay na? Next fourth point is that these are all the very very important.
Okay.
Yeah, first one is that each time you multiply negative integers by positive integers or positive integer by negative integer, the product is a negative integer. Okay na? Next second one, each time you multiply two negative integers, the product is a positive integers.
Okay.
Next is the third one. Third point, product of even number of negative integer is positive. The product of odd number of negative integer is negative only. Okay na? Yeah, next one is the, and that is the fifth point. Each time you divide a negative integer by positive integer or positive integer by negative integer, the quotient is negative integer only. Okay na? The quotient is negative integer. Next second point. Each time you divide a negative integer by negative integer, the quotient is a positive integer.
Yeah.
Next is the third one. When you multiply or divide two integers of same sign, the result is always positive. Okay na? Divide by two integers same sign, the result is always positive only. If they are opposite signs, the result is negative only. Opposite signs result is the negative. You already all are the finishing and already finishing and this class is already it's over. Are you okay Gagan side? Yeah, once I read it only. All are the important points. So once again I read it only. Next is the sixth properties. of integers only. Properties addition, subtraction, multiplication, division only. Closure property, commutative, associative, identity, inverse only. Here first one is that addition property, closure property and subtraction, multiplication, these all is the satisfy only. But here division property, under division is not closure property. Okay now. Next is the commutative. Commutative property. In your addition and subtraction and addition and multiplication is under the commutative property, but you are not subtraction and not under division property. Okay now. Commutative, not commutative one, not commutative property for subtraction and division only. Next, associative property. Associative property is the addition and multiplication. Under multiplication property satisfy only. But you are not subtraction and division. Under not subtraction and division. Associative property, not associative property, not satisfy on subtraction and division only. Okay now.
Yes.
Next, identity. Identity property is the addition is okay, multiplication is okay. Next is the inverse property is the addition is okay, but only addition property is satisfy. Subtraction and no of division only, but the multiplication is not there in your inverse property. Okay now.
Okay.
Next one is the seventh one. In integers, multiplication distributes over addition. That is the A cross B plus C equal to A cross B plus A cross C for any three integers A, B and C only. Okay na?
Okay.
This is the distributes only. Distribute property. Next one is the eighth one only. For any integers A divided by 0 is not defined or meaningless. Okay, anything by 0. For any non-zero integers, 0 by or anything is 0. Now A not equal to 0. And third point is A is divided by 1. Division by 1 is equal to, we get this the A only. It is all is the very important points. Can you once again you can remembering the one side.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the chapter is our integer chapter is it's over in Telangana state book. Yeah, all exercise problems and solutions is also it's over. Okay na? In Telangana state book. Yeah, chapter number 1. Chapter 1 integer is over, is completed, is over. Okay na? And next is the other one is, and one is that expert book part 2. One topic is left only, or next I take the one of division of integers or expert book stepwise. Today we will learn it only, other book only. Okay na? Yeah, full chapter is over. Integer full chapter is it's over. Okay na? Are you completed? This is the notes for our first chapter notes gagan side. Okay. Yeah, are you okay gagan side neatly? Yeah, next is it's over of this one gagan side. One the left only after later. I take the order book, expert book, division of integers, explaining only. Okay na?
Okay.
This topic is the one left only. Another book only, expert book concept time 5 is B.Ed and division of integers only. Page number is the 12. Other book, expert book, with steps wise today we will learn it only. In Telangana state book is over of this topic only, but you are in that expert book, but they are not completed. But step wise you can today we will learn it only.
Okay.
Yeah, first one is the division of integers only. Divisions you already know that divisions is the opposite of multiplication. Is the division only. Okay na? Opposite of addition. Subtraction is the opposite of addition only. So that's why the opposite of multiplication is the division only. Okay na?
Yes.
Opposite of multiplication is the division, but is the subtraction is the opposite of addition is the subtraction. Yeah, first each multiplication statement has two division statements. You already know two division multiplication statement, division statement. So division of integers. But you can for each multiplication statement. For examples of these are the three multiplication statements. I take it only. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yeah, first I take the three examples of the multiplication of three statements. 3 multiplied by 5 only. 3 5s are 20. Okay, na? Every each multiplication statement has the two division statements. So that's why it is the first one is the 20 divisible by the 4 equal to 5 one statement. Okay, na? Another one is the 20 is divisible by the 5 equal to 4 only. Okay, na? Yeah, 2 only. Division of integers. Division of integers is the positive integer plus positive integer. Both are the positive. Yeah, both are the positive. We will get the words of positive integer only. So that's why I can write it this way. Positive integer divisible by positive integer. Positive integer divisible by positive integer. We will get the positive integer. We will get the positive integer. Okay, na? Multiplication statement lo if it's both are the positive only, here it is also division is also both statement if it's both are the positive, we will get the positive integer only. Next statement is the 3 cross minus of 6 only. So that's why one is the negative integer, different signs only. So that's why it is the two statements. Write it only. First is the multiplication of 3 minus 6. 3 multiplication of minus 6 is the minus 18 only. Okay, na? Yeah, one by one write it. You can say minus 18 is divisible by 3 equal to minus 6. And another statement is the minus 18 is divisible by the minus 6 only. So that's why it's the 3 only. Okay, na? Yeah, what is one is the negative integer. One is the negative integer is divisible by the negative one. We will get the positive integer only. Okay, na?
Yes.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive only. So that's why the negative is divisible by the negative integer only. Here it is that we will get the positive integer. Negative integer is divisible by the positive integer. We will get the negative integer. 2 write it the 2 only. Division of integers. So what negative integer is divisible by the positive integer. We will get the negative integer. Next another one is the negative integer is divisible by the negative integer. We will get the positive integer. Okay, na? Next is the another statement is the minus into minus. Both are the minus. Minus into minus is the plus. So that's why 2 into 100 is the 200. So that's why the 200 are the two statements only. 200 divisible by the 2 equal to the minus 2. 200 is divisible by minus 2 is the minus 100. Next one is the 200 is divisible by the minus 100 equal to minus, cancel minus 2 only. Okay, this is the two statements only. So that's why what's the realities placed. One is the positive integer is divisible by the negative integer. We will get the negative integer. And our positive integer is divided by the negative integer. We will get the negative integer. So that's why the what's the one is the positive integer is divisible by the negative integer. We will get the negative integer. Are you okay, Gagan sir? Are you understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next wise the stepwise you can today we will learn this one only. What's the divide to divide the two integers only. What's the stepwise today we learn examples. Two examples. Let us consider the two examples. Learn this. Divide two integers only. Stepwise. First step 1. Perform the division considering only the absolute values of the integers only. Okay, na? Here it is all examples only, but your textbook is also other examples. So, but here I take it another examples only. So that's why I can here is that. First is that considering only the absolute values for integers. Absolute values means is that to remove the minus sign in front of that number only. Are you okay? Minus sign. So that's why the remove here. It is the for examples of one is the minus 16 divisible by the minus 4 only. And example 2 is the 16 is divisible by the minus 4. Both are two examples only. First remove the signs only. Absolute values means is the remove the signs in front of numbers. So that's why the 16 is divisible by the 4 is that. What's the answer is the 4 only. and here it is also 16 is the remove the sign, so that's why this is also 4 only. And next is the step 2 only. Now write the sign for the quotient as per the rules given below. Write the sign, quotient sign. What's the sign? Rules. What's the rules are there? 2 rules are there. When the sign are same sign, if it's a same sign, these are the both are the same sign. The quotient is the positive only. Okay na? This like one 16 by minus 4 means the 4 minus cancel and 4 only. So that's why is the 4. Okay na? Next is that these are the when the sign are different, the quotient is negative only. For examples of 16 by this like only. So that's why is the minus 4. Are you okay? Gagan say neatly? Negative one. Okay na? Signs are the same, so the quotient is positive. Both are the signs are the same. Quotient is the positive. This is the quotient is the positive. Signs are different, so the quotient is a negative only. Are you okay, Gagan say? Yeah. Next is the concept time 6 and S.P 9 and 13 only. Okay, Gagan say? Yeah. Properties of operations of integers only. Property and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division only. Closure property. The sum of two integers is always an integer? Yes. Addition. In addition is okay. And next is the subtraction. This is difference of two integers is always an integer? Yes. And multiplication is also the product of two integers is always product integers. That is also yes. But division is not only. Coefficient of integers is not always an integer. You are not satisfied. So that's why the commutative property. Here it is that one example. Gagan say addition. In addition, these are the one example. So minus 8 plus minus 4. Yeah, equal to this like ulta addition only. So that's why is the minus 8 plus into minus is the minus 12. Here it is also minus 12. So this is it's okay. But subtraction is also not equal only. Minus here it is. So that's why this is also not satisfied. This commutative property or not for in our subtraction only. Okay na? But your multiplication it's okay. Alag examples you have see better, but you don't write it on our notebook. But I already it's over up in Telangana state book, so that's why I am explaining in one only.
Okay.
Here it is only. But this is a 3 cross of minus 12 only. Minus 12, but here it is also 12. So that's why both are the equal. So that's why is our satisfied. This is the commutative property is in our multiplication. It's okay. But here a division, but is not equal only. Okay na? Okay. Associative property, but there is alag examples. If you take it only, if it's this is also subtractions is not satisfied. Okay na? Not in your associative property. But there is a multiplication, it's okay. But under division, but is not an associative property. Not satisfied. Here this is that it's over. And next is the distributive property of integers. What the distribute means? To share the number outside brackets with each number inside brackets. Very important. Okay, Gagan sai? Yeah. What note that the distributive property is the multiplication over addition is true for whole numbers. Okay na? The distributive property of multiplication over addition is true for integers as well. It's over of this one only. Property over addition is it true over whole number it's okay, but multiplication of over addition is okay whole number ki. But your in our this is also integers is also it's okay distributive property. Okay na? Okay. Let us consider the two examples here please. I am directly explaining in our textbook only. Okay na? Outside brackets with each number only. Okay na? Share with the inside of the brackets. This like arrow marks. You can observe here it is minus 3 into 4 first one, and next is the again is the next multiplication minus 3 into 2 only. Okay na? Both are the equal only. But we will get the both sides is the left side and both side and LHS and RHS both are the equal only. And this is also okay na? And outside the brackets the each number of the inside the brackets only. So that's why I can both are the two equal answer only. So that's why I can is the distributive properties in for integers and whole numbers is the both are that is satisfied. And next one is that identity of integers, additive identity, and is 0 is the additive identity of integers. So we can add the 0 and integers and can but does not change the value. Same we will get the same only. Okay na? Yeah. Same answer we will get it only. and multiplicative identity. One is the multiplicative identity for integers. When we multiply by the integers 1, then the values does not change only.
Yes.
Minus 3 equal to 1 and 1 equal to minus 3 equal to minus 3. For example, so minus 6 into 1 and 1 is nothing but 1 only 1.
Okay.
15 into 1, 15.
Okay.
1 is the multiplied by anything is the 1. Answer is the same answer. We will get the same only. Same coefficient only. Are you understood? Answer neatly but does not change only. Full chapter integer chapter is over. Okay now.
Yes.
Yeah. Say. Yeah. Today class is also all exercise in this all exercise problems and solutions to this over. I say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.